Hello, hello! Welcome back! Today we have a color wheel! Yes, an actual color wheel is here. So, I want to paint a coaster from this white tile. Nothing special, but I just painted it white so it would be more prone to stick color on. And this will show me which color I have to use. And let's go. Okay, so the first one is red orange. Whoa, it actually worked. And the second color I will be using is yellow. I will also be using white. Let's begin. All the colors are already mixed with the pouring medium, so I just started painting right away. I started with white and then I continued with orange and yellow, and in the same or some kind of different I continued. And now we had a beautiful spiral of all the colors on the tile. I just put more white around it so the color will move more easily on the tile. Now I'm just tilting the tile around so the color gets on the whole tile. I just started playing with a stick and drew something on it. And now I poured yellow around it and a little bit more orange because there was not enough color on the tile. Now you can observe my beautiful set of hair again when I'm blowing the color around the tile. Here I just try to make like a flower thing with the stick again, but I decided it doesn't look that good, so I put more color over it. There was too much white in that corner, so I had to put more orange, yellow and white so I could blow it in another pattern. Ta-da! So I think right now it looks incredible, and after it dries I will try to coat it in the raisin that I have. But I still do not have the raisin because the one that we bought, it's too dull to work with. Here are some amazing cells forming. So this is the final result. I hope you like it, and if you do, please click the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye!